welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today we will discuss how can customize WooCommerce uh, checkout page and all other page. Actually, this question was asked by one person in my LinkedIn, so making video for on it especially. So for that, like, I'm just logging into my dashboard, also going to front end, and now I am at shop page. Now this is shop page, this is default shop page, so I want something inside that. So for that, at here I am in the plugin folder, and go to plugin folder and go to WooCommerce, and after that go to template parts, and copy template parts, and then go to theme folder, and which theme is active, WP theme list. uh, 2023 theme is active. 2023 theme is active, so go at here and paste that template at here. Okay, it is actually, it is already available templates, so at here it is as copy, so, and rename as WooCommerce. I do not want any issue, so I just copying. Now it is, and at here I just put all code, all template part at here, and it is not necessary. If you want to change only card page, then copy only card page, card data, not all other part. If you want to change in checkout page, then you copy only checkout page, not all other part. So I just copy all part at here, because for demonstrate purpose, but you require only one part. Means if you want to change in checkout page, then it is checkout page thing, and if require card page, then it is card change. Like now I want to change something inside single product, and at here it is short description at here. So if you see short description, and if I want to add something at here, like hair test, mm, 1 minute, 1 though, dear. Mm, we have to check this file is calling or not. No, this file is not calling, so due to that, so due to this this file is not calling, so it is not reflecting to front end. Okay, don't worry. um, it is at here like simple product. So at here I am again. Okay, here test product. Okay, it is coming here, test product. So this is simple .php for simple product, and it is, if you are working on variable product, then you can also change at here variable product, or and variation add to cart. You can also work on it if variation is there. Also for grouped product or external product, you can also work on that. So basic thing is that if you require some change in code, some change in the uh, page, etc., tab, etc., then you can manage this thing via uh, via code. And I also show you how can you uh, modify uh, these uh, file or these layout at your end. And if you are working on paid theme or other part, then you can also make child theme at there, and then put WooCommerce as a folder, and only copy uh, parts, files or folder which you require to modify, not all parts. So I think you understand all thing which I show you in the video. Now it is this is card page. So if I want to change anything inside card page, then go to card page, go to card template, and at here you can change at here. Also for checkout page, at here checkout page, so you can also manage checkout folder at here. So all data at here and you can manage all thing. I think you got concept of modify uh, WooCommerce layout and custom development in WooCommerce. Thanks for watching.